guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how to open a Roth IRA. Now you can open a Roth IRA with any broker. Most of them have it. In this example, I'm going to use Charles Schwab. So this is just, I'm using the Chrome browser. I don't think it matters which browser you're using, but I'm using the Chrome browser. So we're just going to Google Charles Schwab Roth IRA. So I typed in Charles Schwab Roth IRA. Just going to hit enter. And notice when, there's different ones that come up, and there's a ton of them. So just look for Roth IRA Charles Schwab. And when it comes up, it has going across the top here, there's a list of their different types of accounts. We just want Roth IRA. It's just plain simple Roth. It's not traditional, it's Roth, and then it right here just says open a Roth. You'll click that, and this is assuming you don't have any other accounts with Charles Schwab already. If you have like a broker account or something else, you can just log in and you can click Roth IRA from there to create this. So we're going to click on no, I'm new to Schwab, and it's going to ask you for your information. So you'll fill this form out. Once you fill out that page, it's going to have you create a username and password. So go ahead and fill this out. Once you have created your username and password, it's going to have you enter your address. So you'll fill out this page. Once you have your address and everything filled out, it's going to ask for your annual income, employment status, liquid net worth. So fill this page out. It is then going to ask you to provide additional details. Are you a member of board of directors? 10% shareholder? For most people this is going to be no. Are you or anyone with a beneficial interest in this account employed or associated with any of the following? Registered broker, stock exchange? Again, and it says right here most people do not need to answer yes. And then if you need help, there's a little link there to help you. And would you like to have a trusted contact person? If you want to know more about that, you can click to learn more. This is a little different than a beneficiary, so if you want to read that, you can. The next step is going to ask you the Schwab Trading Services options training. For this channel and what we do, it is going to be over options. If you want to follow or mimic and learn options, then if you want to follow what we're doing, you have to have this option. So you got to make sure you get approved for options. Limited margin, if you're not familiar with margin accounts, I wouldn't suggest clicking that. This is a Roth, so it is a limited margin. They're not going to actually give you margin, but you may be able to have stuff settle quicker in the account. Then it's going to ask you some questions about paperless features. You check this according to what you want. And the next page, since we did choose options, is going to ask you for certain levels. On this channel, all we need is level 0. We're only doing cover calls. If you're familiar with it, you can do the different levels, or you can always change this once you become more familiar with it. You can always request a new level. But we need at least level 0 to copy or follow what is being done in these videos. The next few questions is going to ask you your marital status, net worth, stock, your knowledge in stocks and options. Fill this out according to your knowledge. And once you finish filling out this page, your account will be opened. It usually, it may take a couple of days for you to see if you're approved for options. Usually it's pretty quick. So that's pretty much it. Once once the account is open, it will ask you to link your checking account. That way you can transfer money in and out. If you do have another broker account and you want it to switch to Schwab, at that point it will also let you have that option to transfer that other account. You don't have to sell any of your securities. You don't have to change any of the dates, your cost basis, all of that will stay the same. They'll just transfer all that information over into your Schwab account. So guys, that's basically how you open a Roth IRA. If you have any questions, just leave comments below. If you found value in this video, I will appreciate a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next video.